Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best handheld carpet cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Black+Decker Dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Black+Decker Dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum is the perfect tool for any home. This lightweight handheld vacuum is designed to make quick work of everyday messes. It features a high-performance motor and a cyclonic action that helps to keep dirt and debris away from the filter, while the XL dustbin has a capacity of up to 0.6 liters, so you can clean more in one go. Powerful 18-volt lithium-ion battery, this vacuum cleans for up to 20 minutes of cordless cleaning. It also features a wall mount and a charging base for easy storage and charging. The Dustbuster AdvancedClean is the perfect tool for achieving fast and efficient cleaning results. Pros: lightweight and easy to maneuver. Long-lasting, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Powerful suction for quick and thorough cleaning. Easy to empty dustbin. Washable filter for easy maintenance. Cons: small dustbin capacity. Short battery life when used frequently. Noisy operation. Limited attachment accessories. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is the perfect solution for cleaning up those small messes and spills. The powerful suction and built-in brushes let you tackle tough spots, spills and stains quickly and easily. This lightweight and portable cleaner is great for cleaning great for cars and boats. The easy fill tank holds up to 48 ounces of water, so you can clean multiple surfaces without refilling. Plus, the removable nozzle and brush make it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. With the Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, you can keep your home and car looking and smelling fresh. Pros: portable, compact design for easy storage. Multi-purpose cleaner for carpets and upholstery. Powerful suction lifts dirt, grime, and stains. Removable tanks for easy filling and emptying. Cons: can be noisy in operation. Can be difficult to maneuver on some surfaces. Not suitable for all types of carpets and upholstery fabrics. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bissell 3624 Spotclean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell 3624 Spotclean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner is the perfect tool for quickly and efficiently removing spills, stains, and dirt from your carpets, rugs, and upholstery. This powerful corded cleaner included trial-size spot and amp stain formula, and 2-in-1 upholstery tool helps make your job even easier. The Bissell 3624 Spotclean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner is perfect for deep cleaning carpets and upholstery, and it will make your life easier and your carpets, rugs, and furniture looking like new. Pros: deep cleaning suction power. Large capacity dirty water tank. Removable tanks for easy filling and emptying. Long 15-foot power cord. 2 specially designed cleaning tools. Convenient carrying handle. Cons: heavyweight design. No rinse cleaning feature. No drying feature. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bissell Spotclean Pro Heat Portable Spot and Stain Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Spotclean Pro Heat Portable Spot and Stain Carpet Cleaner is the perfect solution for those pesky, hard-to-remove stains and spots. This powerful yet lightweight cleaner is designed to quickly and easily remove deep-down dirt, stains, and odors from carpets, area rugs, and upholstery, looking and smelling fresh. Plus, it's easy to use and store, with a collapsible handle and cord wrap for easy storage. So for those tough-to-remove stains and spots, the Bissell Spotclean Pro Heat Portable Spot and Stain Carpet Cleaner is the perfect solution. Pros: compact and portable design allows for easy transport and storage. Powerful suction and heat settings help to remove dirt and stains from carpets and upholstery. Features a 3-inch tough stain tool for removing tough, set-in stains. Includes 2 trial-sized cleaning solutions for use on carpets and upholstery. Includes a built-in water heater for a more effective clean. Cons: cleaning solution must be purchased separately. Not suitable for use on delicate fabrics or rugs. Not suitable for deep cleaning large areas. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. The Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is the perfect solution for pet owners looking to quickly and easily remove stains and odors from carpets, rugs, and upholstery. With a powerful 2x suction power, this lightweight dual-action pet tool has a pro-grade power to quickly extract pet messes. The included cleaning system to help remove tough stains and odors. With an easy-to-fill tank and easy-to-empty tank, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is an efficient and effective way to keep your carpets and furniture looking like new. Pros: 2x suction power for deep cleaning. Lightweight and portable. Dual-action pet tool included. Pro-grade power removes stains and odors from rugs, carpets, and upholstery. Cons: may not be suitable for all types of rugs and carpets. Relatively loud noise when operating. Requires frequent emptying of the tank. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.